Wait a second, everyone! If you clicked on this video, it means you haven't missed out on the best Roblox Rivals reward codes that are still working in 2026. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for visiting my channel again today. Now let's begin the latest Roblox Rivals codes and strategy guide video. In today's video, based on the latest 2026 update, I will show you all currently working Rivals codes that are still usable in the game right now and have been personally tested and confirmed to work properly. All the codes in this video will be presented in a clear, clean, and easy-to-follow format, so you can quickly check and use them without any confusion. Due to recent updates, some codes have already expired, but there are still several high-value reward codes and core codes remaining that offer great rewards. That's why I strongly recommend that you do not skip this video and watch until the very end. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss some of the most important Rivals reward codes that are still available right now. So please make sure to keep watching until the end. Before we start showing the codes, let me quickly introduce a simple but valuable Rivals giveaway event. In this event, we will randomly select viewers and send them their choice of in-game items or rewards that can be used in Roblox Rivals. How to participate is very simple. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment your Roblox username in the comments, and watch this video until the end. Once you complete all of these steps, your giveaway entry will be successfully submitted. However, there is one important note. If you do not watch the video until the end, it may be difficult for us to verify your viewing activity, and you could be excluded from the giveaway. So please make sure to watch until the end.